Hi guys, welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to fix this content is age restricted TikTok. First, open your TikTok app. From here, go to Profile on the bottom right. Then tap on Menu on the top right and go to Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Content Preferences. Then select Restricted Mode and then just turn on Restricted Mode. You will be required to set a PIN code to access it. Once it's done, just tap on Set. Now, as you can see on the top, your account is running on restricted mode. Now go to your profile on the bottom right again, and then tap on Menu and go to Settings and Privacy. After that, go to Content Preferences and then turn off restricted mode. Now, just put in your PIN code that you set and tap on Next. Now, restricted mode on your account is turned off. And that's it. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.